Hi everyone, welcome to the new math problem. 5 power x over 25 is equal to 50. Find the value of x. Let's start the solution of this question. We will cross multiply 5 power x equals 50 into 25. We can write this as 5 power x equals 50 can be written as 25 into 2, and 25 can be written as 5 square. Moreover, it is 5 power x equals 25 is 5 square times 2 times 5 square. So it will be 5 power x equals same basis, exponents will add 2 plus 2 4. Now divide 5 power 4 on both sides. Cancel with 5 power 4. We have 5 power x over 5 power 4 is equal to 2. Here we will use a formula a power x over b power y or a power y is written as a power x minus y. So it will be 5 power x minus 4 is equal to 2. Now we will take logarithm on both sides of the equation. Log of 5 power x minus 4 equals log of 2. Now for this left hand side we will use formula log of m raised to the power n equals n times log of m. So it will be x minus 4 times log of 5 equals log of 2. Divide this log of 5 on both sides of the equation. Here, log of 5 here. Log 5 cancel with log 5. We get x minus 4 equals log of m over log of n. Can be written as log of m with the base n. So here it will be log of 2 with the base 5. Now we will add 4 on both sides. On left side we left with x equals 4 plus log of 2 with the base 5. This is the final value of x. But stop here. We will check this value of x by putting this value back in our given question, which is 5 power x over 25 equals 50. To verify left hand side equal to right hand side, we have 5 power x over 25 equals 50. Put the value of x here. It will be 5 power 4 plus log of 2 with the base 5 over 25, 50. Now we know that a power m plus n can be written as a power m times a power n. So it will be 5 power 4 times 5 power log of 2 with the base 5 over 25 equals 50. Now for this specific whole term, we know that a power log of b with the base a always equals to b. Here our a is this one 5 and b is this one 2. So whole term replaced by 2. It will be 5 power 4 times 2 over 25. 50. Now we can write this 5 power 4 as 5 square times 5 square to 2 over 25 equals 50. 5 square is 25. 25 2 over 25 50. 25 cancel with 25 and 25 into 2 is 50, which is equal to 15, and it means that left hand side of the equation is equal to right hand side of the equation, and of our value of x, which is 4 plus log of 2 with the base 5 is the final answer. And I hope you understand this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification of my new daily videos. Thank you for watching.